I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and verifying the dishwasher is dead. Safety first. Once done, remove the lower kickplate and toe panel to expose the inner cavity. Next, tilt and support the door so the springs don't pull it down while you work. This keeps the control board accessible. Make sure to wear gloves and keep screws organized in a small tray. Now you can see the control assembly behind the inner door. Prepare a flashlight and your replacement board. You'll now identify and label every plug so reassembly is foolproof. Put a small label on each connector. Once labeled, lift locking tabs on ribbon cables and unplug multi-pin connectors. Do this gently to avoid bending pins. Remove the screws that secure the control board and keep track of grounding wires so they can be reattached. When the board is free, lift it straight out to avoid snagging harnesses. Inspect surrounding wiring for damage and clean any corrosion before installing the new board. Align the replacement board and seat it evenly, then reinstall mounting screws and reconnect the ground strap. Good grounding prevents electrical issues. Once seated, use your labels to plug each connector into its matching port and snap ribbon locks down. Double-check each connection for a firm fit. Replace the toe panel, restore power at the breaker, and run a short test cycle to confirm operation. If the dishwasher shows errors or won't start, recheck connectors and grounding. A single loose plug causes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.